Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, standing beside an F-150, and we're excited to announce that we're going to be introducing a bunch of parts for your F-150 or other F-Series trucks. One of those parts and key components is our front mount intercooler. This will help keep the engine cooler, keep it running more efficiently. We're also going to introduce a high flow filter to again gain some of that horsepower. So just like normal Steeda, we're going to make it drive better and make it a little bit quicker and more exciting to drive. In addition to the parts that we're adding to make the truck drive better and quicker and be more efficient, we're also going to be building some components to improve the suspension so you can better utilize it for towing, cruising, and just simply driving around town. Those things are going to include springs and anti-sway kits. Again, they're going to really benefit you if you're towing a boat or a motorhome or a race car. So, you F-150 owners, tell us what you would like. What are your suggestions for parts that we can make for you to make your F-Series pickup better? To stay in tune with these products as they're coming through production, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like to learn more about the products we already offer for the F-Series trucks, be sure to visit us at Steeda.com. And most importantly, thank you and have a great day.